In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new card, save your progress, and publish your site. Whether you're building a personal blog or a professional portfolio, Card is a fantastic tool that makes creating a website a breeze. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Card website at card.co. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Card, you'll need to set up an account, but today we'll focus on those who are ready to get started right away. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on Choose a Starting Point. Card offers a variety of templates to fit different needs, but for this tutorial, we're going to select Blank Canvas. Starting with a blank canvas allows you the freedom to craft your site from scratch, tailoring it to precisely fit your vision. As you begin designing, it's important to save your work consistently. This can be done by clicking the Save button, usually located in the upper right corner of the interface. Frequent saving ensures that you do not lose any progress in case of a computer glitch or an unexpected power outage. It's always better to be safe than sorry when working on any digital project. Next, let's move on to the important part of naming your site. Card will prompt you to enter a title and description for your site. The title will be what users see in search engine results and at the top of their browser tabs, so choose something that clearly represents your site's purpose. The description, on the other hand, is crucial for search engine listings and bookmarks. Think of this as a brief summary of what visitors can expect from your site. Make it engaging and concise to capture the attention of potential viewers. Once you're satisfied with how your design looks, the next step is to publish your site. You'll find the Publish button within the Card editor. Clicking this will lead you to choose your domain option, which is crucial for making your site accessible to others online. For domain options, you can opt for a free Card subdomain, which would look something like yourname.card.co. This is a great choice if you're just starting out and don't want to incur any costs. However, if you're looking for a more professional appearance, you might consider connecting a custom domain that you've purchased, such as www.yourdomain.com. Finally, once your title, description, and domain settings are completed to your satisfaction, click Publish once more to make your site live. And there you have it. Your Card site is up and running for the world to see. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in creating and publishing your Card site. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every site you build will help improve your web design skills. Happy building!